To all my fellow Chanel lovers out there, I have some exciting news that the Chanel 21A pre-fall collection is coming out pretty soon, and the lookbook here in the United States is going to be out next week. And this is where you could request an order from your sales advisor if there is anything that you like to order before the actual launch. And the exciting news is that I have more pictures to show you today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. If you're into luxury lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel videos, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. So last month, I have released a video of the Chanel Fall Winter collection for 2021, and I showed you many pictures and my thoughts on the bags that are coming out for the fall winter collection. But in that video, I did not specify as far as if they're going to be on the 21A, 21B, or 21K collection. I did not know yet at that time, but today I have some exciting news. I have the bags that are coming out for the 21A collection. And for those of you that are not familiar or are confused with these letters, let me just share with you that the fall winter collection will have three collections. So it's going to be the 21A, which is the pre-fall, and then they're gonna have the 21B, which is the fall winter act 1, and then the 21K, which is the fall winter act 2, and then following that would be the cruise collection, which will launch sometime in November, and it will trickle down to 2022. And right now we're on the 21 spring summer collection, so the next collection will be the 21A, and it will be released sometime in May and June. So my sales advisor had contacted me yesterday telling me that what I need to order, if there is anything that I want for the 21A collection. He said that the lookbook is coming out sometime next week. So I know in other countries their lookbook has already been out. So today I'm going to share with you some of the pictures, the photos that I have for the 21A collection. So for those of you that are not aware, Chanel has a new Chanel and Moi program, and this is to give you a 5-year warranty on any bags that were purchased from April 2021 onwards. So if you purchased your bag prior to April 2021, then you're still on that 1-year warranty. But if you purchase your bag from April 2021 onwards, then you have that whopping 5-year warranty from Chanel from any defects or issue since purchase. I think it's good since there has been like little quality issues here and there that we find, and rest assured with this program you have a 5-year warranty. But before I get into the collection, a lot of you are asking about price increase, if there's going to be a price increase in May. And right now, I have asked 3 of my sales advisors, and they have told me they haven't heard of it yet, and there's not going to be a price increase anytime soon. However, I know it's going to happen, and it's bound to happen sometime before the end of this year. Since we had a price increase, I believe it was in January or close to February, I'm pretty sure there's going to be another one sometime maybe late August to October. So I will let you know definitely once I have a confirmed statement from my sales advisor that there's going to be a price increase. I'll post a video here as soon as I hear from it, or if it happens before then, I'll definitely let you know. So please don't forget to subscribe. So before I get to the slideshow or the pictures, let me just share with you some of the hot items that I think is going to be in the 21A collection. And the first one will be the caramel colored bags. And yes, there's going to be caramel bags for this collection, and it's not going to be the same bag as the 21P. So if you miss the caramel color from the 21P, this is going to be a different hint of caramel. It will have a little bit of an orange to it. If you're into this kind of caramel color, then make sure you contact your sales advisor. And this caramel color will come in Chanel 19, as well as the classic flaps and also the cocoa handle. And another really famous color for this collection will be the light gray. So there's going to be some gray for the 21A collection, and it's going to be all over the collection. So it's not just going to be in the Chanel 19, the classic flaps. It's also going to be in their small leather goods, as well as some other bags like trendy CC, vanities, and all that. So the gray will be, pretty much in different styles. So, and if you're into light gray, you might want to check that out. And for myself, I know there is gonna be another gray bag for the fall winter season. So if you're into a darker gray, it's gonna come out sometime maybe in the 21B collection. So I'm gonna wait for the darker gray. I did advise my SA, so I might not get anything from the 21A, but I'll be waiting for the darker gray bags. So yeah, so if you are into more of a darker gray, I'm gonna show you a picture of the darker gray color so you could see a difference. You may want to consider into which gray are you going to go for. And some of the hot commodities for this season will be their small leather goods. And there's going to be a lot of new small leather goods like the lady handle clutch. It was featured in their fall winter runway. That's a really cute small leather goods, and I think that's going to be a hot item for this season. And I also saw the flap card holder with a strap, and that's another cute one and very interesting one. Before I forget, I noticed that their cocoa handle will have a different leather. So if you're into like lambskin or smooth leather, so it looks like the cocoa handle is gonna have it in smooth leather. I just can't tell from the picture if it's gonna be a smooth calfskin or if it's gonna be a lambskin. So if you're into cocoa handle and you've been waiting for a lambskin, it looks like it's gonna come out for this 21A collection. And for those of you that likes the mini top handle bag that was released in the 21S collection, the 21S had it in all caviar with the top handle. For this season though, it looks like it's just gonna be in lambskin or smooth calfskin. So it's not gonna be in caviar. So if you missed that, I know that a lot of you really wanted the caviar and that mini top handle bag, but for this season it's all going to be in lambskin or smooth calfskin. So I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. So I think it's just going to be in smooth calfskin or lambskin. So those are some of the highlights that I want to point out with you before I show you a slideshow of the bag. So without further ado, let me introduce to you the Chanel 21A collection. that is all for today. Is there anything that you particularly like for this collection? Please comment down below, and I'm so curious in hearing on your take for this collection. Again, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos and more pictures for the upcoming collection. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.